Makwela's pregnancy reveal recap. Let me tell you, I'm here for this love content, okay?
My man and I say ukushawa umoya after a long time of not seeing him. I'm really excited to be spending isikhathi naye.
Here she was going to tell him about the pregnancy, and let me tell you something. Makwela is that source in Babake's life and on the show as well that we never thought we needed. She brings out that softer side to Mtombeni.
Angihlali nayo Makwela la. So iningi into engihluphayo ngaye. Angikwazi ukumbona esihlangaleleni. Angikwazi ukumbona la khona abantu. So fanele ngimseseze ukuze ngikwazi ukumbona.
And you know what? I've always wondered what they talk about.
But ukhuphule.
And let me just say this, Mamake has been so graceful.
Ngesikhathi sebuyile esibhedlela bengiya kumvakashela at Macela's house, but it's not the same nokumbona sibawu-2 kuphela because there are people there.
And I just want to say it's so cute watching them conversate.
Okay. Especially money, 1,000. Bese abona izebhu usho 8,000 rand.
Sana Babake was smiling from ear to ear. Wow. And of course, Makwela was trying to cheat.
While we were driving in, khona la ngiyabona khona amazebhu. I was like, okay, maningi amazebhu pregnant out. Let me just use this to my advantage. It's asibheje ukuthi sobona amazebhu.
And she lost.
Straight ahead inside the middle of the road is a giraffe over here.
Ngayiluza kanjani ibed?
Now I'm 1,000 rich.
No, ngithena mina. Hey. Nasiye indaba ukubheja. Ngiyabheja.
Awu ngoba sokoleta mina.
It's fine, I'll pay you. But hayi ngemali ukuthi ukhokhele. Ngamkhokhela ngenye indlela.
Now this part, I was just like, Nancy, Romeo and Juliet. Who knew Babake could organize a whole picnic?
Into yenze ngenza ipicnic ukuthi at least akabone ebalekile akube khona izinto esoba ama memory because kahle ngibona ukuthi mina ngumuntu wamathandana.
Man, that was so thoughtful.
Shame umfana organizile and it's really cute and it's really nice ukuthi uyenzile effort ukuthi siphumele phandle.
Oh, when she called him umfana, I was just like, Lakonko 2.0. And then the big moment we've been waiting for.
Since now you did something nice for me, it's only fair ukuthi nami I bring you something.
Oh, okay.
Praying ukuthi Nkosi yami ivula ijabulele. You can open it.
Ibhaliwe. Ibhalwe ngesilungu. Pregnant.
It's almost like he didn't believe he could do it though.
It's amazing ukubona leyo nto because uyazi angazi ukuthi ngakuchazela kanjani. You have no idea ukuthi sewenzeni. Pregnant, where is this thing? Ngicela ngiphinde ngiyibheke. Are you sure?
Positive. We are pregnant. We.
Oh my daughter. What angiye manje?
Have you seen a child in a candy store? Yeah, Babake reminds me of that.
Seeing him ejabule kanje nami ngiyangijabulisa. I didn't expect him to be this excited because I mean
here I was just like, girl, stop lying to us. This is the reaction you were hoping for. Embrace it, okay?
I thought it was going to be like, oh yes, another one for him because he already has like kids. I don't know how many.
She also spoke about her trust in her man's capabilities.
They even held
the belly together. Sana Babake is overjoyed. The fact that he still got it.
Yabona ekhaya iyakhiwa nje ukuthi ngingabazeni ukuthi angiyindoda yalutho. Uyindoda yani phela mangabe ungakwazi ukuzalisa. Manje uMakwela has answered that.
Oh, it's good to see him this happy thing. The fact that he did that, he wanted to just leave so that he could brag about it to mamakhe, you know.
Asambe ngeke ngijahe phambili. Ngeke umkhombisa. Lalela. We are going. Yini sakhona la?
Congratulations to the couple. Babake can still bake, y'all. Okay? So whoever doubted him can rest now. He can still bake. Anyway, on this beautiful note, do share your thoughts in the comment section. Also remember to subscribe, like, share. Until next time, bye, and thank you for watching.